Alright, got rid of my cabbage. Yummy. This one's got a couple of the little pieces in there. You see the onions. This, I tasted it. There, wait. See that right there? I tasted it. Wasn't all that in a bag of chips, but alright. Now it's time. I want to take that out. I'm going to show you how easy, breezy. We're going to pause. We need one thing. Alright. We've got our meat. It's drained a little. Those are my two nice chunks of beautiful corned beef. Wish we had bigger, but oh well. That's what was available. Quick pause. Think we're recording? Yep, we're recording. Alright. This is a beautiful thing about what I did. Watch this. Comes right off. Look, I'm using my hand. My fingers. Did not bring this to a boil. I'm using my fingertips now just to rip off the rest of the fat that's left there. Stop. Look at this. Just comes right off. If I had fingernails, it would probably come off even easier. And you're just rubbing the meat to pull off the fat. Oh, it comes right off. I have a couple people that wanted to taste this, so that is beauty. Look at that. Fat free. You could throw this on a slicer. Amazing. Alright, there's a little piece of meat in here. There's a leftover piece. Don't want to throw out the meat. The last corned beef video I made, I cut the onion in my hand. I got more comments on that than you could imagine. Tonight I was joking with some owner of an Italian restaurant about that one. I was like, yeah, I got so many comments because I did it in my hand with a serrated knife. All right, we got a couple pieces of meat here. And everything else is all fat. We're going to taste that, so. It's all fat, a little piece of meat. Do it again with this one. Ready? Using my thumbs. Bam! Comes right off. Look at that. Amazing, right? Look at the juices flowing out of this. This is the first time I've done it in apple juice. It's probably the first time anyone, actually it wasn't apple juice, it was apple cider from ShopRite. I seasoned my apple cider from ShopRite with Goulden's mustard, Mrs. Dash table blend. No, it wasn't table blend. It's regular Mrs. Dash. Big chunks. Now, I'm using the back of my thumbnail to get that little layer of fat. Whoa! Houston, we got a problem. And there we go. That was 8 pounds of meat. Perfectly cooked. Obviously, we got this little piece of meat here. Waste not, want not. We want to get all the fat off of that. Once, twice, 2 times a lady. There we go. That's why they call me Jimmy 2 times. Clean out all that fat. There we go. No more meat. Oh, there was a piece of meat there. All right, here's the first time I'm going to taste it. Let's clean my fingers up a little. Very greasy. Oh yeah, that juice that I dumped out. If you do want to do something with it, I would strain it, do a reduction, add a little butter, and a little apple cider vinegar. Bam! But I got no time for that. Just a suggestion, you know, trying to give you outside the box. And here we go. That's my first taste. Wow. Different. Hold on, wait for it. I want to taste one of these onions. I tasted the cabbage. I didn't taste an onion. Amazing. You can hear it in my mouth. The onions still have their crunch. Wow. For all my haters, go away. Stop coming to my channel. My name's not Steve Jobs. I'm not going to kill myself. Wow. I'll be eating this with eggs and this and that and the other thing over the next couple of days. But here, wait for it. Set it aside. I just want to show you that was put aside. I got a strand of meat. Oh, I should have went the other way. Oops. Oops. As you can see how stringy it is. If you're going to make something, this is what you want to do. You want to string it. Grab a pinch and pull it. There's a thing called pulled pork, pulled chicken, and then there's pulled corned beef. When you cook corned beef properly, this is what it does. Come on, look at that. Look at that. That is a beautiful thing. Alright. Thought I'd show you that. I'm going to give it another taste. Actually, the next time I do cook this, I am going to put a little apple cider vinegar to give it a little zing. Zing! That's the word. The mustard made it. The apple juice definitely made it. All the seasonings. There's a little bit of garlic. The Mrs. Dash did a little something extra. But I want you to see this. Hold on. This is the LG V20, and it's got 3 microphones. Can you hear this? No, you can't. But you could taste it. Mmm. Yummy. Love it.